A viral video of a passenger being forcibly removed from a United Airlines flight in 2017 ignited international outrage. It wasn't just bad press, it became a full-scale PR nightmare that forced the airline industry to re-examine overbooking, passenger rights, and crisis communication. The shocking footage spread like wildfire on social media, sparking debates on how airlines handle oversold flights. Public anger escalated when United's initial response appeared to blame the passenger, rather than acknowledge its own flawed policies. Recognizing the gravity of the situation, United's CEO issued multiple apologies, eventually taking full responsibility for the incident. Under immense pressure from media and consumers alike, the airline vowed to overhaul its approach to overbooking and customer service. In the wake of the scandal, United revised its protocols to limit involuntary passenger removals, boosted compensation for volunteers willing to give up seats, and introduced conflict resolution training for frontline staff. These measures aim to rebuild trust and prevent future incidents of this nature. While public sentiment did not improve overnight, United took steady steps to showcase a renewed focus on customer care. By publicly committing to more transparent policies and better staff training, the airline attempted to shift the narrative from crisis to reform. The 2017 passenger scandal stands as a stark reminder that mishandling a crisis, especially one caught on video, can profoundly impact a company's image. United's story demonstrates that prompt apologies, clear policy changes, and genuine efforts to respect customer rights are essential to regaining public trust in the wake of a PR catastrophe. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.